Hey guys, we're at Hampden Park level crossing in East Sussex with Michael and Harvey.
I got to say, I bloody Brayford level crossing again.
Yeah, my cousin calls this the Brayford because he keeps doing the
I got to
Brayford.
say, I had to level crossing in East Sussex, doing Brayford for the second time in about 5 minutes.
Do the Brayford. Me and my cousin are attempting to make a remix about this train station and call it the Brayford.
And it yet no train going to the corner. Like, literally.
The station likes to do the Brayford quite a bit actually.
Station for the bloody crossing.
Okay.
Wait.
That way.
I really never know about this before. They don't have skirts on them either. You know what skirts are? They're like the white bits on the red and white bits. They're called
Skirts.
No idea what they're called skirts.
Train should be coming any minute now. Well, even though the train just decided to do a Brayford on us.
Crossing my car.
Yeah, I get it mixed up.
Oh no, my luck, it'll be a cycle motorbike again, blowing in my videos. Why am I looking up with it? Nothing in these. This crossing is really busy.
Ba 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 bam.
It's an 8 cone. What are 8 cones on the Sunday? Literally, barely anyone uses this cross line.
Oh god, this one's going quite fast.
Yeah,
It's going right through.
oh.
377. 377453.
Always say that.
See you next week.